Hey budget travelers! Welcome back to Cheap Escape. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today, I'm sharing my top tips on how to save money for your next trip. Whether you're dreaming of a tropical paradise or an adventurous road trip, these tips will help you get there faster. So, let's dive right in. The first step is setting a clear goal. Decide where you want to go, how long you'll stay, and how much it will cost. Having a specific target will keep you motivated and focused. You can use apps like TripCoin or Wanderlust to estimate your budget. Write down your goal and keep it somewhere visible, like on your fridge or as your phone wallpaper. Next, create a savings plan. Break down your total goal into manageable chunks. For example, if you need $1,200 and you want to travel in 6 months, you need to save $200 per month. Set up a dedicated savings account and automate transfers from your main account to your travel fund. This way, you won't even miss the money. Now it's time to trim the fat. Look at your monthly expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Maybe it's those daily coffee shop visits or that subscription service you rarely use. Redirect those savings to your travel fund. Little sacrifices can add up to big savings. Make your money work for you by using cashback and reward programs. Sign up for a travel rewards credit card and use it for your everyday purchases. Just make sure to pay off the balance each month to avoid interest charges. You can also use apps like Rakuten or Honey to earn cashback on your online shopping. Look around your home. Do you have things you no longer use or need? Sell them online. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark are great for turning clutter into cash. This not only helps you save money but also declutters your space. Consider finding a side hustle to boost your savings. This could be anything from freelance work to driving for a ride-sharing service or even dog walking. Use your skills and interests to find something that you enjoy and that fits your schedule. Lastly, save on your daily expenses. Cook at home more often, use public transportation, and look for free or low-cost entertainment options. Every dollar you save is one step closer to your dream vacation. And there you have it, my top tips for saving money for your next trip. Remember, every little bit helps, and with a bit of planning and discipline, you'll be packing your bags in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Comment below with your favorite saving tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel hacks and tips. Until next time, happy travels!